Uh-oh, the crazy drivers are out today. What's up, y'all? Welcome to today's episode of Friday Night Rides. It is Thursday, man, my Friday. You know, you see how much joy was in my voice when I said that? We're gonna head over here to the strip and we're gonna kick it, man. What we up to? You gotta stay tuned for that. Let's go! Like I always say, what a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Every day is a beautiful day to be alive, man. I'm thankful to be out here. You know what we do today? We head over to the strip. We're gonna go to Red Rock. My bad. I always go to Red Rock, but we're gonna go to Las Vegas Harley for a bike meet, man, on this Thursday. And then we're gonna see what we're gonna get into, man. The Hollywood sign. Damn, I'm all over the place today. Jeesh. The Las Vegas sign is right there. I'm a little early, but I'm here to see my guy. So let's see who's already there. Looks like we are very, very early. It's all good. Let's see what we can get into. Let's see if anybody else here that I know. Nope, I thought that was my guy Cecil. Looks just like him. All right. Oh man, what a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Let me go check the scene out real quick. Oh, Mandalay Bay right there. Yeah, man, everybody's having a good old time today. Seen a gang of bikes out here already, so I can't wait to see what we're gonna get into, man. It's gonna be a fun day. Hope everybody out there having a good day, having a good week. The weekend's almost here, man. What are y'all doing? Drop a comment below, let me know what y'all doing. Oh man, look at all these fucking bikes out here. Jeesh. We about to ride out for real. I'm gonna let it run, man. I'm gonna let it run. There's a gang of bikes out here. I have no idea where we're going, but we just gonna go. I'm gonna follow you, man.
I'll follow you. Are we jumping on the freeway?
We're right there. Gang of bikes out here, fuck. when we break off, I'll follow you. I'll follow you. Okay. Woo! You have to master nonverbal communication when you ride, man. Woo, that's why we communicate. That's how we communicate out here, man. Man, I think we done lost a few people. Okay, I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Shit. What the fuck? Oh, man. I guess we'll just figure it out. I'm gonna just ride out with these guys, man. See where we go. was chaos. Oh my God. Man, my guy Herb got lost in the fucking thick of it. Oh man. That was crazy. Oh my goodness. Woo, the younger crowd, man, they get down, man. Oh man. I gotta stop and link up with these folks. Oh my goodness, jeesh. Woo, what a rush. Oh my goodness. That was one hell of a run, my God. Fabio, man. Good looking out on the invite, bro. I'm about to go up in here to this gas station and regroup to see where I can meet up with the rest of the team. Oh my goodness. Man. Oh, what a rush. That was insane. Geesh, that was insane. I had to break off, man. There was hella bikes smashing, so I had to break off. Broke off with the rest of the crew. I'm waiting here for my guy Herb right now to meet back up. So we're gonna go check out the barbecue spot over in St. Rose. So more to come. All right. Amongst all the confusion, I'm gonna have my first experience at a Las Vegas buffet. Let's fucking go, man. Let's go. Please be no car there. Cool. Yeah, man. Ended up being a pretty cool evening. Crazy shit, but you know, that's how it goes sometimes. Had a good time. I'm sure there's a bunch of bikes out here. Gonna be out here soon, so maybe I'll get some cool nighttime shots of the Las Vegas bike scene, man. I'm just gonna have a good time today, man. Fuck plans, man, for real. Let me see if I can find them. All right. So we just spent the past 15-20 minutes looking for our bikes, man. Couldn't find it. The parking lot looks the fucking same everywhere you go. Couldn't find it, but we finally found it, man. Crazy night, but ended up having a good time. Ended up linking with a few folks. We got mixed up in the rush. Y'all seen the footage? That shit was crazy. But we're gonna end it here, man. If y'all haven't yet, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, man, and keep following along. I appreciate y'all. Peace.